The Search Forms section enables a flexible data search in the application. You can enter the section in two ways: from the repeat page. When we enter from the repeat page, if there is no search form in the section, a new form immediately opens. Or from the start page. To add a new search form, click on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the section. The open search form is similar to the repeat page in edit mode. This makes it easier for us to understand in which fields the search will be done. In the upper left corner of the form, you can open the navigation bar menu and go to other sections of the application or return to the home section. You can return to the home section by clicking the back button on your device. To return back to the search form, you just need to click on the list item. Let's now look at the toolbar menu. The quick search icon works the same as on the repeat page. The search is performed in fields number 3 and 4 by any match with the desired combination in one of the fields. Clicking on the plus icon adds and opens a new search form. At the same time, the old search form will not be deleted. If we go back to the home section, we see two items in the list. The top one is the old search form, the bottom one is the new search form. Each new search form you create is added to the end of the list. Let's see how to work with the main fields of the search form. The three top fields number 1, 2 and 5 contain lists of values formed from all repeat pages. The search is performed based on an entire value from the list, by searching the exact word how it is written. For example, if you cut off the searched value in this field, the data will not be found. Search in fields number 3, 4, 6 and 7 is carried out by any match with the desired combination. Let's see how it works. Type the desired combination in field number 4. Confirm this and click the Find button. We've got a list of pages where the required combination is found in field number 4. If the number of found pages with this combination is too large, you can add additional criteria to narrow the search. Now let's look at the toolbar menu commands. The command Find Page Duplicates by field number 4 finds all pages where the value of the field number 4 is exactly the same as the value of the field number 4 of the search form. I'd like to draw your attention to the fact that even if there are data in any other field of the search form, they will be ignored when executing this search command. The search will be done only by field number 4. The command find by field number 4 in fields number 3, 4, 6 and 7 finds all pages where any of the fields number 3, 4, 6 and 7 contains any match with the desired combination typed in the field number 4 of the given form. The search is carried out only by data in field number 4. The command create new repeat page creates and opens a new repeat page with data from the search form fields. The command duplicate current form creates a duplicate of this search form. If we go to the home section, we will see the create a duplicate of the current search form at the bottom of the list. The extra duplicate can be deleted. Let's now look at the purpose of the button bar located at the bottom of the search form. By clicking the button Clear Form, you clear all fields of the current search form. The keyboard button opens a pop-up keyboard similar to the keyboard from the repeat page, but with reduced functionality. Using this keyboard, you can set any category code from the drop-down list or any day interval. The set value will appear in the field under the heading Days Before After. This way you can find pages with the desired interval. By clicking the Find button, the pages will be searched based on the criteria you've specified in the search form. Values or data in other fields of the form affect the search result. The button Clear Before After clears the value in the interval field. And finally, by double-clicking the button Delete Form, you can delete the current search form. Let's create a new form and set search criteria. After clicking the Find button, if the search is successful and you have data that meet the specified criteria, you will see a list of found pages. Here, the plus icon creates and opens a new repeat page. Let's now look at the menu commands that can be applied to the found pages. The command Upload Selected to Google Drive uploads the list of found pages to your Google Drive. You can find the file by the name rSelectedContent and by the date or time it was uploaded in Google Sheet format to your Google Drive. Only the data created by you will be uploaded. Any learning material from the Repetitul Knowledge Store cannot be uploaded. The command Transfer moves the list to another section or subsection. You can learn about this command in detail by watching other videos on our website. The command Swap Selected will swap the selected list of the set. In our example, the set was German-English. Now it has become English-German and the list has disappeared from the search results. To display this list again, we also need to swap the criteria in the search form. For this, click the Swap button and the criteria will swap the fields. Now click the Find button and get the same list but only inverted. Using the command Change Set, you can edit fields number 1, 2 and 5 in the entire selected list at once. We see that our list now belongs to the English-German set. Let's replace English with English test. Now field number 1 in the entire list is renamed to English test. The command unite excerpts connects together excerpts of large texts. We explained this command in another video on how to memorize poems and large texts. See the link in the description of this video. The command clear statistics clears statistics on all pages of the selected list and moves the material to pending section, clear subsection. The command delete deletes the selected list. Let's return to the home section. Here we can see a list of search forms indicating the fields and combinations we were looking for. This way you can create the templates for the forms with the specific criteria that you search for frequently. If you have any questions, leave a comment under this video or contact us by email. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and watch other videos to learn the advanced capabilities of the Repetitul app. See you next time!